Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about outdoor entertaining. I'm super excited to share our outdoor space with you guys, and big thank you to Home Depot for sponsoring today's video. So we're gonna start off with the inspiration, and the inspiration for our outdoor living space came from the fact that we had just painted our house and we painted it black and white. So I knew that I wanted to go with the white cushions and the black and white stripes. So I got on Pinterest and I just looked at different ideas to just kind of give me an idea of how I wanted to set everything up. But I really knew that the black and white with the stripes was going to look really good with the color that we went with the exterior of the house. And I knew that Home Depot would have everything that we needed, and I really wanted to make it a one-stop shop, and that's exactly what I was able to do. I purchased everything online at homedepot.com, and they literally have everything that you need. They have patio dining sets, fire pits, small space sets, and they also have all the accessories that you need for the final touch. So it's definitely going to be your one-stop shop for all of your outdoor entertaining needs. So if you guys are interested in anything that I share throughout the video, I will have it linked in the description box below. So now I'm going to show you guys exactly how I set everything up and also give you a few tips on outdoor entertaining. So for outdoor entertaining, you want to make sure that you have plenty of seating. So we decided to go with a sectional because it gives you more space. And then we also decided to go with a conversational piece that came with a love seat and then these two lounge chairs. I really love the lounge chairs because they also come with ottomans. So that's really going to make for great lounging. And if you have enough room, I think it's really great to have distinct spaces for lounging and dining. So this side of our patio is more of the lounge area. And because I really wanted to incorporate the black and white, I decided to do that with the accessories. So these pillows really add a nice pop and they make the sectional a little bit cozier. Open patio like ours, then an umbrella is going to be a must. It's really going to help you enjoy your space a little bit more, especially if it gets really hot where you live. So I decided to put two in this space, and I really love that I was able to get them in the black and white stripe pattern, but they do have so many different ones to choose from. And I also decided to add in these little small tables, and this is perfect for the space because it's not too big, but it's the perfect place for a drink or a phone or anything like that. So this is a view of the overall sitting area, and I will have links and product names and everything in the description box below so you guys can check it out. But I absolutely love the way that it turned out. I feel like it's the perfect amount of seating, and then I also decided to add a couple of more seats over here just for additional seating. This side of the patio is our dining area, and I made sure to get a dining set that had space for an umbrella because it's really nice to have that additional shade. And Home Depot has some really great accessories. They have all of your dining essentials, from the placemats to the dishware, the glassware, the silverware, whatever it is that you need, they will have for your outdoor entertaining needs. So that really made the shopping experience that much better. love white dishware. I love white plates and bowls. I feel like it's very clean, classic, and it's definitely an essential no matter the occasion, and it matches with everything. So I would highly recommend having a set of white dishes. I love these cute little side plates, also from Home Depot. I love the patterns, very fun and funky, and each plate has different patterns, so I thought that that was really cute. Yeah, I thought these were really cute. They're black and white, and I really just thought that it added a little bit of personality to the setup, and it's just really fun having the different patterns. And I also thought that the napkins would add a fun little touch. So they come in different patterns. I decided to use the checkerboard one, but I thought it looked really cute. So I just got a napkin holder and I placed it on top of the side plate, and I just thought it looked really fun. And I also decided to add these candle centerpieces. They're really nice because they light up, and at night they give a really nice ambiance. And I also think it's really great to have a mobile drink station. So I have this bar cart and I've set it up, and this is just really nice for your variety of drinks, and that way your guests, they can help themselves. I also have this little tin bucket that I put ice in, and you can also add your variety of drinks here as well. Here's an overall view of the dining area. The space turned out really nice, and it's a really great place to have dinner and relax, somewhere to have your guests whenever they're over, and I love the way that it looks, and I think that the accessories really give it a nice touch. And of course, no outdoor space is complete without a barbecue grill. So this is the one that we have. It's also from Home Depot, and it's a Vision grill, and we absolutely love it. So yeah, Colton has been cooking a lot on the grill here lately. And in between the dining space and the lounging space, we just have a little area for Uriah, and we have some of his toys. That way he can also enjoy being out here as well. Uriah really loves the outdoors and playing out here, and I also added this little plastic white tote basket, and this is where I keep all of his outdoor toys, and that way they don't get mixed in with the indoor toys and all of that. So this is really great because it's plastic. So I love the way that our outdoor space has turned out, from the paint to the new deck and the new furniture, and we really enjoy being out here and relaxing. This is an overview of what it looks like at night, and we absolutely love it. It's a whole mood, and the lights really just add a really nice ambiance. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're interested in any of the products, be sure to check out homedepot.com. Thank you again to Home Depot for sponsoring today's video, and thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.